Hey y'all, welcome to Soul Feed Sunday. And we'll be going over the flaxseed gel, and I gotta do my introduction now because I was having a temper tantrum earlier and I ain't get it done. Yay!
Fuck it, I ain't doing no fucking video.
Ain't gonna hold y'all too much. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it so y'all can see everything that was going on in the method that I use. The only product that I use with this gel is the Camille Rose Curl Milk. I'll leave it in the description box, exactly what it's called. But I was using this because I wanted her to get rid of it or whatever, because I'd had it for a while. It's time for it to go. But it's light. So I went on and applied that while I was in the shower as my leave-in. Added the gel. That's about it. So if you want to see these good ass results, go ahead and keep watching. It's here. It's all here. But it is 30 minutes later, and it's a little bit damp back there. But my hair is 95% dry. It's no crunch, but what the hell is this? I don't like the way my hair smells neither, so that might compliment it. This is pumpkin seed oil, and that just smells like sweet potatoes. And I'm almost like, what if I like added some water? That might have did something, I think. Yeah, it's doing something. Ooh. If nothing else, my hair is real soft. I have never had definition and softness be in the same place. I've had no crunch yet, but softness, the definition. What is it? So I'm just gonna pin this out my face, and those are wet. Oh no!
A few moments later.
My clothes still ain't ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, because by the time I get them out the dryer, I'm gonna just throw them on and leave. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my hair. It's all right. So I don't know if this even feels dry. It ain't all the way dry. It's more so at the root though. So what I'm gonna do is, I ain't gonna pick with that too much. I'm gonna put my diffuser back on. Sure is that. I'm gonna take a little bit of the pumpkin seed oil. Put a little bit of water on my hand, just a little bit. And go like that. Try to get some of that out. Cause I don't need that to be getting all. Nope. Now I'm in public. Nope, not today. Not today. Don't embarrass me in public today, new thing. No, you won't, new thing. And what we're gonna do is get the stretching this on out and shaping this. I hope that when I stretch it, that I don't end up doing nothing too crazy to it. Oof. That's it. No, it ain't. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and come back a little bit later on tonight when I get back, because I'm gonna be out in the heat again, and we're gonna see how this weathers the storm. It's cute right now, though.
A few moments later.
This is, I don't know why you don't see a lot of people using the flaxseed, because I'm popping out. I will say I don't think that this is gonna be a wash and go that's gonna give me like days of curls and definition, but This is definitely a gel where if you got somewhere to go the same day, go ahead and make you a batch of the gel like the night before. This middle pot ain't too bad either. No, I don't do no middle pots. I do want to try it again. When I do try it again, I will be shingling. But yeah, for me to have not shingled, that is it for today's Soul Feed Sunday. If y'all liked anything, got some insight or something, you want to see the recipe that's going to come up for the flaxseed, go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell so you'll be the first one to catch that heat to make your gel first. I mean, there's a million gels online, but mine might be the one. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. And I thank y'all for joining me today. And I'll see y'all next time.